Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing an updated everyday makeup routine. So this has been my go-to for the past, I'd say like month or two. But yeah, I've really been loving it. I don't know why I'm wearing a tank top right now because there's snow outside. But yeah, anyway, that's besides the point. But anyway, yeah, if you want to see how I created this everyday look, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so I never do my brows on camera, but I figured I would just go ahead and do them today because I am using a new brow product. I mentioned this in, I think, my last video that I used it. I didn't show it though. This is the Covergirl Ultrafine Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Soft Brown. I just brushed through them real quick, and as you can tell, I really don't have much brows to work with. I mean, they're kind of, I have a little bit of fullness right there, but I have to fill them in quite a bit. So I always just start with like creating a line at the base of the brow, I guess. That's what you want to call it. And just kind of bring it over to about like the arch. And then I'll just do some strokes up. Because, yeah, I don't really have much in this front area. It's pretty, there's a lot of gaps. And then I just kind of like follow the way that my hairs naturally go. So then I'm just gonna brush it, go this way and kind of fill it in. And kind of give myself a little more of an arch. And then I just bring it down. And just kind of giving myself like an outline. And so, yeah, that's just like super quick and easy way to get brows to like, ooh, no brows. And then once I'm done, I just kind of brush through the kind of like the front part just to kind of give more like hair-like strokes. No need to clean up really, just kind of natural brows. So my everyday makeup routine has kind of changed up in the past month or so. I still have been using this to prime with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer because I do still like just like a really nice glowy finish to my skin. So loving that. So I always like to prime everything first. On an everyday basis, I don't always prime my lids. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, because I usually just use some bronzer in the crease. So for the purpose of this video, I will go ahead and prime them. I switch between using a concealer and my MAC paint pot for concealing, but for today I'm just going to use some concealer because it's nice and easy. I'm actually going to use my Beauty Blender to pack it in. We're going to see how that does today. And then I still set with powder. And you guys, I'm going to be using new brushes today. Let me just show you real quick. If you guys want to see like a review on these brushes, definitely let me know and I can do that for you. But so these are all the Jaclyn and Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brush collection. I did get the entire set. So this is all like the bigger face brushes. I just put them in the jar, and then these are a couple face brushes, like smaller face brushes, and then all the eye shadow brushes. And they did come in this amazing case that is gorgeous. It is like a little bit harder to open, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm obsessed with this packaging. So for today's video, I'm just going to be taking the JH32 brush, which is just a nice fluffy blending brush. This is the bronzer that I've been using like pretty much every day for my crease. Just the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I just pick that up on my brush and pop it in the crease. I know a lot of people, like with their everyday makeup, if they typically do eyes first, a lot of times they'll do their face first, but I don't know, it's just like such a routine for me to do my eyes first, even if I'm just doing bronzer. So, but you could totally do your foundation first because there's not any fallout with this. And I just kind of build it up until I feel like there's enough that you can actually see that there's color there. Okay, so that's it for eyeshadow. I'll drink some coffee. By the way, I make pour over like every Saturday because it's like the only time that I have time to make pour over. So next we're just going to be taking our eyelash curler and curling our lashes. Taking my favorite mascara right now, the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I think in my last like everyday makeup routine I had falsies, but lately I have not been wearing falsies on an everyday basis. Like I normally just wear them like on weekends. My lashes have been doing a lot better lately, so I feel like I'm able to build up my mascara enough that I really don't feel like I need falsies for everyday wear. Somebody else get mascara on their lids like every single time, no matter how hard you try. Okay, and for foundation today, I am just going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation because my fake tan has kind of faded, so I don't really need to make shades right now. And this is like a really nice shade when it's like pretty much I don't have a tan. And this is in the shade Light Beige. And actually, I just tried this out for the first time yesterday. I have not used a brush for foundation in so long, but I wanted to try out a foundation brush because I got one, so I figured I should try it out. This is the XHO3 brush, and it's just a flat, really dense brush. I tried it out yesterday and I actually really liked it, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna build it up. Just applies it really nicely. And it just kind of like spreads out evenly, and I feel like you can, I don't know, you don't waste as much product, I feel like, almost with this. Like, how pretty. Okay, so then I just kind of make sure everything is blended. I actually really like how this foundation applies with this brush. Okay, so then I'm just taking a little bit of the, I still have a little bit of a sample of the IT Cosmetics concealer, but the shade's too dark for my under eyes, so, but it's a good one for spot concealing. So just any places that I have a little more acne, I'm just covering up a little extra. Okay, then just going in with some concealer. This is in the shade 10. I'm just dragging that up a little bit. I have to think of like a good Thanksgiving makeup look. Maybe that's what I'll do for tomorrow's video, so that can be up in time for Thanksgiving. And just blending out my concealer this way. And I'm just kind of taking the Beauty Blender everywhere after I blend the concealer out and just making sure that the foundation doesn't look too cakey anywhere. And then even, yeah, my everyday, I still like to set under my eyes real quick. So I will say with this brush collection, there's not a brush that has really stood out to me that'd be great for bronzer. I think I used this one yesterday and it worked okay, but I haven't tried it. That's after I had like my cream contour on. And with my everyday makeup routine, I don't cream contour, I just go on blush, either this one or the Benefit one, the Hoola bronzer. Those are my two go-to, as you can tell by every video that I use them in. But I think for the purpose of this video and trying out a new brush, I'm going to use this one. This is the JH06 brush. This will be kind of like a first impressions too, see how it applies. Because, okay, this might actually be really nice. Okay, I'm not mad about that actually. I actually really like this. Yeah, okay. Yep, I'm loving that. Okay, new bronzer brush. Now we're going to move into highlighter. The one that I have been using most frequently has been the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And we're going to be using this brush for highlighting. It's the JH09 brush. I think this will forever be one of my all-time favorite highlighters. Ugh. So we're just going to go ahead and put some blush on. This is the brush that I've been using for blush from the Morphe palette, which I think is specifically made for blush. This is the JH04 brush, and I just kind of mix all these shades together. Then we're just gonna take our beauty blender, blend everything together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and then we're gonna do a second coat of mascara and do like lower lashes and stuff. And real quick, I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer and highlighter on my lower lash line and inner corner. I'm just gonna take this JH38 brush. I'm gonna grab this real quick and do a little highlight. Oh, hello. Yes. And then just take some bronzer, and then we're going to go back into mascara, do another coat of mascara on our upper lashes and some on our lower lashes. So typically I just wear pretty much any new shade that I have on me. I always have, pretty much my purse is for carrying lip glosses, or like like products. So I usually have either the I Love Sarah Dos of Colors Nude Chica one, or the Maybelline, the nude one that I have, the Super Stay Matte Ink one. I forget the shade name. But then this is the one I have up here, so I'm just going to use this one today. This is the Smashbox. Always on the liquid lipstick and stepping out. Yeah, so we're just going to go on with that. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos, and hit that post notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload. And with that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!